Mutlu, did you not get enough sleep?
Wait, Mom! I'm losing my dream.
Then I told them about autumn and everywhere became yellow. This happened as they were trying to fix the colors. Can you believe it?
I love autumn. It's the best. There'll be the first wind today, and then it's supposed to rain. My mom told me that. I got a huge umbrella that all of us will be able to fit under. Check it out. See this?
Oh, it's a really strange device.
Your mom said that it'll be windy right before the rain comes in behind it, right, Zuzu?
Here comes the winds now.
But it's too strong, isn't it?
Oh no! My dad's umbrella's flying away. Hold it tight, Neşe.
It's dragging us along.
Hey, wait for us too, you two. Where did my dream go? I never got to see the last part.
It'll fly us away.
Hold on tight, Zuzu. Mutlu, help us.
Ah!
Looks like another dream. Wait a minute. I would have been the one with the umbrella having fun if it was my dream. So I guess I must be awake now. I'm coming, sis!
Bravo, Mutlu. Your timing couldn't be more perfect.
Wind is coming around again. Hold on tight.
Don't fall asleep and let the umbrella go.
I am wide awake.
Wake up, Mutlu. You have to get up already. You missed the whole day.
Sure did. And unfortunately, I need to go now. Can you give me my umbrella back?
I had some really wonderful dreams today, but the last one was the very best.
All right, go ahead. Tell us about them.